Now that I have the lock components cleaned, it's time to reassemble. We'll start with the tumbler. That in place. Next is the sear spring. And then on top of that, we'll place the bridle. And that sear spring has a little pin that locates it in the bridle. Now we'll start with the forward 2 screws in the bridle. Get my screwdriver here. Now I'm not going to tighten these all the way just yet. So I do want to get this sear in place. We need to have a little bit of wiggle room to get that screw into the sear. And that sear spring. Some of these screws were not in very good condition, but unfortunately it's not something that I can simply go out and place. I would have to manufacture a screw to take its place. One of these days I would like to manage to get my hands on an actual British-made Brunswick for my collection. Just check that sear action, that does work. Do is bring this back into a half-cock position. The last step to replace the mainspring. It's got a little slot here that will slide into. What you do is actually bring that. Bear with me a minute. You need to bring this hammer back forward first. That way we can hook the stirrup onto the mainspring. And that just comes back like this. Bring it back into half cock. And then we can release the mainspring vise. And what we have is a cleaned and reassembled lock. There's half cock, there's full cock. Back action locks are kind of awkward to manipulate by hand. And there's the forward fired position. I was asked by which method I'm removing this 170-year-old petrified grease from this rifle. The simple answer is easy off oven cleaner, a little bit of 4/0 steel wool, and a little bit of elbow grease. Works great on the metal. I do not recommend it for the wood surfaces, and we'll cover cleaning the wood in a separate video.